Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how I create this halo glam look featuring the Golden Illusion palette. I've already prepped my skin with vitamin enriched eye and face base, then buffing in intensive serum foundation along with corrector and instant full cover concealer under my eyes and on any blemishes. I'm buffing this using my new favorite dual-ended full coverage eye brush. For warmth, I'm drawing little dashes of cool walnut foundation stick on my cheekbones, forehead, and jawline, then buffing it out with the same brush I use my foundation with for a seamless blend. For a highlight and blush combo, I'm sweeping the Luxe highlighting duo in pink all over the cheeks and the high points for an extra pop. I always start every eye makeup with a base shadow, and I'm using Shell Cream Shadow Stick as it is the most incredible color to brighten the eyes. Draw it all over the lid, then blend all the way up to the brow. Sweeping Seashore all over the lids to allow a seamless blend, then picking up Gilded Illusion and buffing it into each corner of my eye to start the halo shape. With a smaller brush, I'm popping Burnt Umber in the exact same places and blending the two shades together. Then for the gorgeous halo pop, I'm picking up Gold Bar with my finger and pressing it right into the middle of the eye. How stunning does that look? Make sure you softly blend out the edges. To create a clean and lifted look, I'm picking up a little concealer on my dual-ended brush and sweeping it from the corner of my eye up towards my temple. Then for a little extra definition, I'm smudging Modern Symphony in the inner and outer corners of my eyes. Of course, finishing off my eyes by curling my lashes and popping on a few coats of Smokey Eye Mascara. As always, I love pushing my lashes up with my fingers before they set to give it an extra lift. Lining my lips with Cocoa Lip Liner and pressing Boss Pink Luxe Matte Lip Color all over. And there you have it, my halo eye that's perfect for any occasion. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.